After the last video on data-driven identification of ideal customers, let us now discuss how to attract those ideal customers to the website. How to make them purchase. 1. Technical SEO. A very important factor in how well Google ranks your website and therefore how many people are able to find it is how your site performs. Google's algorithm updates let everyone know that its core web vitals would be the new benchmark for measuring a site's performance. Here are some key elements for determining high-performing sites. 1. Does the main content on a web page load quickly? Google says that to provide a good user experience, the main content should load within 2.5 seconds. 2. Is the site quickly responsive when a user tries to interact with a page? Are the pages visually stable and minimize the amount of unexpected layout shift of the content on the page? All of this can get very technical, so it can be helpful to have a website performance audit done. A variety of companies offer a free website and security health check. A comprehensive audit will help you make a data-backed decision on what the best and most cost-effective next steps are to improve your site. Here's what an audit typically includes. 1. Core Web Vitals Evaluation. 2. Search Engine Optimization, SEO, Performance Check. 3. Site Security Score. Audits are typically free for anyone who signs up and you should receive your results within a few business days. Some services that provide site audits are Rebel Mouse, eRanker, and Website Grader. 2. Basic SEO. Google owns most of the referral traffic on the internet, and your site should reflect this reality. The good news is that the primary way you can succeed on search is by creating quality content that serves value to your readers. Google is highly optimized to find content that's the best on the web, but there are some things you can do to make sure your content is set up for SEO success. 1. Write long-form content. Longer, original content ranks higher than shorter, aggregated content. Thorough and reliable posts are the foundation of good SEO. 2. Produce quality content. Google is constantly updating its algorithm, which often causes volatility to web traffic. This can make content creators nervous that their search rankings could suddenly plummet. However, Google's primary advice never changes. The best way to rank high in searches is by creating meaningful content that serves your readers. 3. Optimize your URLs. One of the best ways to make sure your content gets ranked on search is with short and easy to understand URLs. This can be an automatic SEO boost because Google crawls URLs verbatim. 4. Fix broken links. Make sure all of your URLs work properly on your website. Broken links can hurt your search rankings. 5. Use appropriate H1 titles and meta descriptions. Ensuring your H1 title tags and meta information are set correctly will improve your site's clarity to Google's crawler. Check with your webmaster on this. Third-party SEO tools such as Google Analytics, Ahrefs, and SEMrush can also be helpful here. 3. Communication. Content saturation is an industry-wide problem, and the e-commerce space is no exception given that it's filled with big brands, small Etsy stores, and everyone in between all fighting for similar audiences. The best way to fight this symptom is to achieve a deep understanding of your audience. This often means connecting with your buyers where they consume content and using those mediums to engage in new tactics to get their attention. Here are some pillars of e-commerce marketing today. 1. Email campaigns. Email marketing is one of the easiest ways to start a targeted journey with your most engaged audience. Email marketing has become more popular over the past few years as users long for a more personalized, uninterrupted purchasing experience outside of the platforms. 2. SMS outreach. Research says that 70% of consumers are subscribed to some sort of SMS messaging from a brand. This can be a great way to reach your most desired buyers where they can always be found, their smartphone. 3. Customer reviews. Providing reliable customer reviews is a great way to promote transparency and increase the legitimacy of your products. They are also a great way to snag an added SEO boost. Read Google's specific guidelines on quality product reviews. 4. Affiliate marketing. It's estimated that 95% of purchases will be made online by 2040. But not every company is an e-commerce company. Luckily, the flexibility of the open web means that there are user-friendly paths to securing e-commerce revenue without actually selling products of your own. One of the best ways to achieve this is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based method in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought in by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. From an e-commerce perspective, this often translates into embeddable shopping links, reviews, and specific content like product roundups. Amazon extensively uses affiliate marketing. The acceleration of e-commerce over the past few years should entice websites of all kinds and sizes to weigh the benefits of affiliate marketing. It's a sure bet to increase revenue diversification and, when done effectively, build loyalty with your user base. Not only will a good affiliate marketing experience benefit your users, it can help your SEO and increase your chances of securing recurring revenue. Sorry for interrupting. The remaining part of the video will play after this short interruption. These are all the places you can find me: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Spotify, Pinterest, etc. To receive only my video updates, you may subscribe to my YouTube channel. To receive all video updates and trendy blog advice, and also infographics, and also other interactive contents, you may subscribe to Tumblr blog or MailChimp newsletter. You will find all the URLs in the description of this video. Let's now continue with the video. 5. HTTPS. Delivering a secure, high-performing environment with extreme reliability is essential to every site's success. This means having a site with technology that uses reliable infrastructure. You often hear about security breaches that impact thousands of sites because open-source CMS options like WordPress are constantly vulnerable to security threats. If you are running a real online business, easily exposed features like plugins are a 2000s-era feature that now serve as a major weakness on your site. Security threats created by outdated plugins can put hundreds of thousands of sites at risk. To make sure your data is protected, look into a publishing platform that offers 24/7 support and is transparent about how they safeguard their site network. 6. Short-form videos. Short-form video content is exploding in popularity. Consider adding short-form tutorials, guides, product information, or other content. You can even repurpose existing written content into videos fairly easily now. After you have launched those videos on your site, make sure to post them to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. That can result in significant traffic to your website. Video content like this is often 1 to 4 minutes long. Include links in the video back to your website. 7. Evergreen content. Growing your website traffic isn't just about getting the maximum audience for your content. It's also about keeping that growth continuing over time. That's why evergreen content is a must-have for any website. Evergreen content is content based on topics that never go out of style and revolve around your site's core talking points. Evergreen content will always be relevant to your audience and it can be frequently updated over time. For instance, if you have an article about how to win at SEO, you can continue to update it with new updates from Google, new strategy tips, and in-depth training on how to master SEO. Publishing evergreen content is also great for SEO. If you can create quality evergreen content around the key phrases you want to win and employ smart SEO techniques, you may be able to reap the benefits of consistent traffic from searches. 8. Backlinks. Backlinks are simply links to your website that are hosted on another site. If your site has backlinks on quality, authoritative websites, it will improve your site's own domain authority and increase your success in searches. Here are a few tips on how you can generate more backlinks. 1. Post comprehensive content. Think about creating a piece of long-form content that serves as an all-in-one resource on a topic related to your brand. For example, if you host a site about vegan cooking, you could create a page called A Guide to Vegan Cooking for Beginners. Comprehensive guides open up opportunities for pages about similar content to link to your guide for more detailed information. 2. Write a testimonial. Many sites are looking to add to or create new customer testimonials on their site. If there is a product you like, it's worth reaching out to their team to see if they would be interested in your testimonial in exchange for a backlink. 3. Participate in forums. Chances are there are plenty of conversations happening on the web that relate to your brand or website. Start participating in meaningful discussions on online forums to increase your site's visibility and, in turn, increase your chances for additional backlinks from other forum participants. 9. Social media. While Google is the primary driver of referral traffic on the web, it's important to nurture your social media channels as well. Data from HubSpot found that 16% of referral traffic still comes from social media. Your audience lives all over the web, and that includes social media platforms such as Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. These platforms are still a great way to discover a natural audience that is already passionate about your message and mission and is ready to engage and even participate with your content. By posting frequently, you increase your content's visibility and increase the chances that your posts are favored by social media algorithms. To make your social media workflow easier to manage, create a content calendar to stay organized. You will also want to feature social sharing buttons on your site. These are graphic images that contain links to popular social media sites such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. These make it easy for your readers to share your content on social media. When you do post to social media, make sure to include interesting or engaging images, because this will lead to higher click-through rates. 10. Guest post. There are a lot of benefits to writing a guest post on a website other than your own. First off, by writing quality content for another site, you will reach new audiences that may have never heard of you before. In addition to that increased visibility, you will also build credibility not only with your new audiences, but also with Google's algorithm. Over time, guest posts will generate more backlinks to your own site, which will improve your search rankings. Consider using high-volume, quality sites that are known for guest posting like All Business or Medium. 11. Answer questions on Quora. Quora is a collaborative website where users can ask questions that are then answered by other users using a forum format. The website has been around for decades and is often at the top of Google search's results. If you search Quora for questions related to your site's talking points, you can easily provide users with informative answers that link back to your site. Similar to guest blogging, answering questions on Quora will increase visibility to new readers and provide another opportunity to build quality backlinks to your site for an added SEO boost. 12. Mobile friendly. More than half of the traffic on the open web comes from mobile, so it's important to spend time and effort ensuring your website offers a rich user experience on mobile devices. The biggest factor when it comes to mobile is performance. In fact, Google has strict guidelines to determine whether or not a site is mobile-friendly. These guidelines are not just best practices. They also can determine if your pages show up at all in Google's mobile search results. The best way to make sure your site is mobile-friendly is by using technology that doesn't consider the mobile experience as an afterthought. Using a CMS that prioritizes performance and the mobile experience above all else will ensure that your site's mobile interface is modern, fast, and built for repeat visits. Continued to Part 2. This video is getting lengthy.